Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be talking about makeup necessities for a trip slash vacation, whatever you want to call it. Let's get right into this video. Now, when you're going on a vacation, I would think I would take like not too much stuff depending on where you go. Also, you got to think about if you're taking a plane, if you're going by a car. For example, I'm going on my trip in Canada in like 15 days, which is actually coming up really quick. And it was actually insane. I was talking about that today. I was like, I got my stuff ordered, which I did need to do a video on, like showing you guys what I ordered, but I will not be showing you guys in part. Like, I don't have, the stuff is still shipping there. I think it's gonna be here like right before I leave. So I kind of want to share the screen with you guys and show you guys what I ordered. But I am gonna do that. But I ordered, so I'm not gonna order no more makeup. I'm gonna see what palettes I'm gonna take. When I go, I plan on taking stuff I can use every day because I don't know it's like I got the clothes I ordered. I was putting outfits together, but it's like you still gotta think about like how you want to look. If that's just me with makeup. So I'm gonna take probably 3 palettes. One, a really bright one because I have a purple sweater I ordered that, and I'm gonna be wearing it with like these orange colorful earrings, and I really want to get color with like a really cute look with that. I want to be really colorful that day when I wear that. So I'm gonna take my Artistry Trendy in Tokyo palette because this is so bright, and I will get some bright colors. The orange in here with purple will be so pretty because it'll go with my earrings. So also with that, I'm also gonna take my I'm not gonna take both of these, but I'm gonna take my Nude Mood palette because the colors in here are colors you can wear every day. So that's definitely a must have. You need colors you can wear every day, and this is an everyday palette. Real quick, I did this look with this palette. This is it. The color is very simple. I used the shimmer white brown, and that's the regular brown with this color. So if I want to, I could wear this every day. Like that's what I'm saying. This is a really good palette. If you want to get it, this is ColourPop. I went to Ulta and got it. It was like $11. Also got this in the by the Rose palette, which is the same ColourPop palette. It's just a little more pink. I got it on these on Valentine's Day. So yeah, just a little more pink. I actually might take both of these, but I think I'm gonna just take the nude. I'm not gonna do too much. And the last one I'm gonna take is actually one of my Morphe palettes because I need a color with black in it. So I will be taking, we're gonna be taking my favorite Morphe palette, my 35M. I need a thumbnail with this one too. I'm going to take this one because I love the colors. I might just be able to know. I was going to say I could just take this by itself because I got the browns, but no. It's a lot of shimmer, more shimmer in this color, well, in this palette, so I definitely need like a base, and I can't just take this one because I need a brighter colors, and it's like I got them in the shimmer, but it's like I don't really have a bright red in here. That's why I'm taking 3 different palettes. So I need this one because I need the black, and I might want to do a smoky eye, and I like the black shimmer up in here, so that's why I might take this one. I also like the orange in there. I might use for an outfit. And I also might go with a purple, might not, but you never know. So I plan stuff very weird. And when it comes to my makeup, I really I try to get it right, but at the same time I don't. So, you know what I'm about to say, it is what it is. So those are the 3 palettes I'm going to take. I'm going to take my 35M BH Cosmetics Trendy in Tokyo and my Nude Mood ColourPop. Those are perfect for vacations. And the good thing is since I'm traveling by car, I don't need small things. That's a good thing. I think you could take them, they don't have to be that small either, I think, right? If you travel by plane, you could just put them in a carry-on. Am I right? Am I correct? Because I think I remember taking my makeup to Georgia when I drove by plane. I had a carry-on. I think I put it in there. But I don't think it should be a problem. But I just want to lower it. It's like I don't want to take too much stuff. Now, the hard part, well, actually not, because I have like a mini bag right here. Is what I put like stuff I go to class in, and just the touch-ups. So in here will be my mascara, my lash glue, my setting spray, my beauty sponge, my lip gloss, eyeliner, concealer. All of that will be up in here. And when I take this is stuff for, so when I leave the hotel, I can just take this with me on the go to the bathroom, fix it up, because I'm gonna be out like all day. You know, you need to touch your makeup when you're going out, so that's also, it's a must have to have like a cute little makeup bag to fix everything and to have the small things in. So it's like, I don't want to take my entire makeup bag because I don't know where I'm gonna put my brushes. I'm turning this, I'm only taking a couple of them. I'm going to take my, this, you know, I have to use, I use this with all my makeup. It holds a lot of product. My blend, I'm taking my blending brush. This is a necessity, must have. I'm taking my powder brush, must have. I'm going to take, I think I will do my eyebrows there. So I guess to add another palette to the collection. So I'm also going to take my eyebrow palette. I'm gonna take this is for my concealer for when I do my brows. I am going to take my blush. Dang, now I gotta add another palette. Y'all see, this is the problem when I don't plan anything and don't like think about it. It's like, I'm that person. I'm like, oh dang, I'm gonna need this. If I need this, I'm gonna have to take this. I'm slow. I'm not gonna take my contour. I was about to say I'm gonna take my contour palette, my brush, but then I have to take my contour palette. So no, we're not doing that. I don't want to take too much. So I think I'm okay with just these. Wait, also I need my eyebrow brush. That's what it is. And my concealer powder brush. So these are the bad boys that's going on the chips for me. These 7. And I believe they could probably all fit in here. Yep, I think they could fit in here. So if I get these in here, everything I need will be up in here. This is all I need to fix my face when the time comes. Add a beauty sponge, and we're good. I got my blush, my powder, my eyebrows, eyeshadow, and we are ready, guys, with the makeup. That's perfect. I'm not gonna take my eyebrow archer. I'm gonna be there 4 days. I'm gonna arch my eyebrows before I leave, so my eyebrows always look good. I don't think I'm gonna take my skin moisture. I also got some other products I need to take for my skin to moisturize my skin at night because my skin get really oily, and I need to fix them. Also got a plan. I'm gonna take some more jewelry with me because I have much more jewelry in my dorm, like in a box somewhere that I need to take. So yeah, makeup necessities are really just what you expect or what you want. It doesn't have to be too much. It can really just be like a handful of stuff that you use every day, depending on like how you do your makeup. It's all up to you. You don't really have to do it. You don't have to do your makeup on vacation, but like, I'm a person who loves doing makeup, so I'm going to take makeup, and I have to plan it with my outfits. It's just what it is. I'm used to it. That's how it is. I like to look good. I like color, so I'm doing color. And like I say, I always say it is what it is, but it is what it is, okay? So this is just a quick video, guys, just to show you guys like what I'm taking on my trip. I'm really excited for my trip, guys. I'm really, 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 really excited. I'm so ready to go because I'm ready to see Canada, ready to get out of this country because it's crazy in the South, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at @IamTatyana_Green. You can check out my blog, Brown Skin Girl. I'm gonna be blogging more because I have been doing a lot of stuff and I have not been blogging, but I'm going to be blogging, and I'm gonna be uploading some makeup stuff on there. So all my like everything I use and do will be on there. So also if you go down the page, you'll see all my links to all my social media. So all that is there as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Road to 100. Let's see you guys later. I don't know why did I say let's see you guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye.